must stop the Zagroot before he destroys the city. Well done, Ratchet.
Hey, that's my ship! I am on fire.
Hello, I'm Kip Darling.
And I'm Pepper Fairbanks.
And we're coming to you live from Luminopolis, where Dr. Nefarious has just released a light-eating Zagroot upon the city.
The latest attack from the diabolical Doctor couldn't have come at a worse time. Currently, the entire Polaris Defense Force is off on a field trip to the single and hating it speed dating convention in Meridian City.
Well, let's hope they find love, Pepper. And now, back to the maulings. The depravity of this creature knows no bounds, folks. He just destroyed Rusty Pete's healthy hamburger shack. Its vegan wheatgrass and tree bark burger was a favorite of hipsters everywhere.
Hey! Hey! I'm over here!
It appears the Zagroot has just ravaged one of the city's luminoid conduits.
This one's mine.
Not bad for a carbon-based life form.
I'm over here! Headed for the airway. Come on, we gotta catch up!
I am detecting a hookshot ahead.
It looks like our heroes have commandeered an air taxi in order to catch up to the Zagroot. A bold move. Let's hope it ends in something that boosts our ratings.
This taxi's gravity coils appear to be operational. Perhaps shifting position will steer the vehicle.
Watch out for the air cars!
Here's an interesting fact. This is the 7th massive creature of destruction President Quark has helped unleash upon a major city since his inauguration.
He's destroying the city!
I have located the Zagroot. We are almost there.
Now that was a close one. This might be a good time to mention our sponsor, Proton Paul's Lunar Funeral Home. Don't settle for a boring afterlife. Spend eternity spinning in your grave, thanks to Proton Paul's Zero-G coffins.
This is an interesting development. It appears that strange, unidentified robots have teleported into city limits. I'm no expert, but they don't appear to belong to Dr. Nefarious.
One could only surmise that these robots have chosen to take advantage of our distraction with the Zagroot and invade our city.
I have your back, Ratchet.
Hey, get away from my pal!
Looks like our heroes found a...
Greetings, citizens, and thank you for taking part in Friendship Through Firepower. Are you ready to get certified? This automated training program will teach you how to use your new combustors. Start by unholstering your weapons. Okay, safety precautions, disclaimers, warnings, yada yada yada. Aha! Okay, step 1, fire! Impressive shooting, citizens. You mastered the same technique I employed when I vanquished Dr. Nefarious. One thing that surprised me when I first became a hero was how much people don't enjoy getting shot. If your target refuses to stand still, try locking onto them with your weapon. If you're not me, chances are you'll need assistance from time to time. Try firing your combustors at once to deliver a supercharged blast of power. Congratulations, citizens. You are now certified to carry a weapon inside city limits. Thank you for your participation in the Friends Through Firepower initiative. Have a truly awesome day.
This one's mine. cover. Clank! Nice! More ammo. Yes!
The Zagroot has just been sighted making its way towards the Luminopolis power plant, and it looks like the unidentified robots are following. They must be here for the Zagroot. Kip, you can come out from under your desk.
I follow the truth wherever it leads, Pepper.
Looks like our heroes have acquired some new firepower. Do you think they'll be able to ambush the Zagroot?
If 3 marriages taught me anything, it's that deception and surprise are the key ingredients to any successful offensive.
Ready, pal?
I believe we are all clear. Get ready, Ratchet.
Let's take this moment to check in with Born Garblak about the mysterious robots tracking the Zagroot. Minister Garblak, any ideas as to who owns these robots?
Our analysts are working on it, Pepper. It is quite possible that the Zagroot belongs to these robots, and that they've come to retrieve it. Until we learn more, I advise all citizens to remain in their homes!
Oh, thank you, Minister Garblak.
I'm over here!
I detect trouble ahead.
Nice! Hey, get away from my pal! We've got ammo here!
I need to repair.
Nice! More ammo!
My robotic friends, we do not wish to fight you.